Hello, Programming 11. We are going to be programming today. Wonderful. Here's what we're going to make. We're going to be animating an animated GIF. Whoa! Yes, this is a small little project we're going to do. It's complicated enough, actually. It's not like it's a simple project, but it's a small scale project. One tab probably will take you, maybe an hour altogether to do. And I think it'll be fun too. It'd be cool to put like something like this in the background of our brick breaker game or future games or whatever. Maybe our intro screens could be jazzed up with some animated GIFs. There's just so many wonderful animated GIFs out there in the world, so we're going to learn how to display one in processing. So there's a few steps to this. The first video, this video, I'm going to be showing you how you get an animated GIF split into its separate pictures. That's going to be really important. I'll show you this folder. I have all these separate pictures. How did I do this? There's a website, basically, is the answer. In the second video, I'm going to show you how you can load all of these pictures into our sketch and then display them one at a time. And that's going to be the video. It's going to be fantastic. I think you will find this a fairly straightforward exercise and a fun exercise is really my goal. I hope this is true for you. So I'm gonna start by showing you how do you get this animated GIF split into its different pieces before we do the coding. So here we are. I searched for abstract GIF. There's so many cool GIFs out there, so feel free to, find something that appeals to you. I will also post this picture in the Teams whatever you call it in the team. Is that the way you say it? And that way, if you don't want to find something new or you can't find something that works for you, then you'll be able to use this image. Okay, so here we go. I found this picture. And if you look over here, you can see that it's lovely. It's rolling around. A lot of GIFs come from this website called Giphy. So if I was to click on this, then it's like, sorry, the owner has set this to private. And you might get other sort of problems like that. So I'm going to not click on it. What I'm going to do instead is right click and go to, where is it? Open image in new tab. Let me zoom into that. Yeah, open image in new tab. That's my preferred way of doing this. Now, if you open it up and it says in the address a .gif file, then you're in business. That means you can do this. There's other formats that are animated pictures. The WebP format comes to mind, and this won't work for those pictures. So you just got to stick to the GIFs for now. Then we might do a future activity where we look at splitting other types of files. And if you want a challenge, you could try to figure it out on your own. But this will work for GIFs, and I'm sure I don't need to tell you there are a whole lot of GIFs out there on the internet. So find a GIF. And once you have it, there's two ways you can do this. You gotta save it, right click and save the GIF to your computer, or you can just copy the URL, the whatever .com slash blah 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 .gif. So I'm gonna do this way, but you could do it either way. I'm gonna copy the URL, and then we're gonna go over to a website. It's called ezgif.com. ezgif.com just doesn't have the same ring to it, although that's proper Canadian way of pronouncing things. But this is a pretty cool website, and you can use it for all sorts of different things. Oh, it has a WebP thing, so maybe we can figure that out. But we're going to just work with GIFs in this video, and we're going to go to the split. So what we want to do is take an existing GIF, the one I copied in my video, and split it into its separate pictures. So you just go over to split, and you could, if you downloaded the GIF, maybe you have some already on your computer, you can choose a file from your computer, or I'm just going to paste this in here, bloop, and upload. So either way, you'll get the GIF showing up in here, and then you can split it. So if you just go down, you're going to click split to frames. Pow. And you'll see it split it into all sorts of different pictures. I believe there's 15 altogether. And what I want to do is download these. I don't want to edit. I'm going to download this. It downloads it as a zip file. So you want to download it to a place where your sketch is going to be. So for me, I've already made my sketch, and I have my folder ready to go. So you might want to just open up a new processing file, put your void setup and void draw in it, and then uh, download the zip file. So I'd click download zip as frames, and then choose where I want to save it. I'll choose the place where I'm doing this, animated GIFs. And it's already been saved, so I won't actually click save, but you can click save and save it to your sketch folder. Alternatively, you can save it to something like your desktop and then drag it to your sketch folder once you're ready. So once you've done that, if I show you my sketch folder again, you will see that you only see this. You don't actually see all these split pictures here. I'll delete them to recreate what you probably see right now. The zip file has all the separate pictures inside of it. You don't want them in the zip file. You can't read them inside of here. So what you do is you double click and you can, it depends on your computer. I think if you double click it in a Mac, it'll just extract it automatically, and that's good. Or you can extract this way as well. And I don't know, I think I just click extract all in Windows 10. And it's going to put it in a separate folder. I don't really want that. I just want it to be in the root folder. So I'll extract. And then, yeah, now they're all there. The idea is that you want all these pictures to be in the same folder as your processing file. So they should all be side by side, all in the same folder. If you made a second folder for them, which maybe that's what happens in a Mac, I think that might be what happens in a Mac. Sorry, I don't know for sure. You can just go into that folder and drag and drop them back into this folder. And then you can delete the zip file if you want, or you just leave it there. It's not going to hurt anybody. So that is how you're going to split the picture into a whole bunch of smaller, or split the animation into a bunch of frames, is really what I wanted to say. And then in the next video, I'll show you how you can write the code to load those pictures into processing and then display them. Okay? Thanks, everybody.